Well, here we are. Wifey is now getting ready, and then we're heading off down the river. This should be fun. Yeah, this should be fun. So we'll let you know. We're doing 8 kilometres. Yeah, I mean our campsite is just before that bridge up there on the right hand side, so yeah, we'll let you know how that goes, but we're heading down. No, isn't it actually up there underneath, isn't it, Wifey, up where the rapids are coming down? Sort of there. Yeah, that's where we are. So this should be fun. We've got lunch. We've got lunch, haven't we, Wifey? Yeah. We have some rolls and bits and pieces and a bottle of wine. So, tally-ho. We'll catch you later, folks. All the best. Say hello, Wifey.
Hello. Which is mine and which is yours?
There's Wifey. Hello, Wifey. Wifey. Well, to say that was an experience is an understatement. I recommend any married couple, you have your own canoe, and then when your wife buggers it up, she's the one who gets wet, and then you don't have to lift the fucking canoe out, and sorry, you have to lift the canoe out because she doesn't know. What are you doing? You having a wee? I bet you are, aren't you? But anyway, here we are. We're at the Pont, and up there it is just alive with house martins. Are they house martins? Sand martins? The little devils, I call them the like little devils. Sand martins? Swallows? This is lovely. This gorge is absolutely lovely. Yes, we come down through some rapids. I don't know how many more we got to do. Well, it only took us about an hour to get to this part, didn't it? Yeah. Let's take a walk up this bank. Yeah, it's actually been great fun. It's been a bit, you thought, but even if the boat does capsize, you just get out and stand up, so it ain't a problem. But I can see how high this water gets up here, and this is the gorge. Now, all along this gorge, or the River Ardeshe, all along this these gorges, there are various caves with lots of prehistoric, Neolithic paintings, cave paintings. Yeah, he's got it right, he's on his own. It's in the high 20s again. It's like 26, 27, 28 degrees again today. We've had a couple of real peachy storms since last night. The pterodactyl was back again last night, crapped all over the awning. Glad it rained, it just managed to get that off this morning. But this is lovely. This is what we come down here for, to one of life's experiences. Oh, froggies! Look! Let's see if I can zoom in. Oh, there he goes. Wifey, frogs. back to the river. Yes, it was great. As I said yesterday when we booked it, oh gosh, shoot full of sand and grit and stuff. It was €28. We got picked up from the hotel at 10 o'clock. They take us down to the we set off from. There's several companies along here that do it anyway, so you're sport for choice. I would suggest though you come as the season starts or the end of the year, the end of their season, similar to what we have, because I can imagine this place is heaving. Yeah, it's lovely. It's great. Yeah, I'm just going to do a 360. There we go. Pont. You can hear them, can't you? Little devils. Speak to you in a while. Bye bye. Well, there you have it. Oh, blood all over me phone, camera. Yeah, that was our trip. 8 kilometres from near our campsite, along the Ardeshe, through a couple of little rapid things, the little low things you can yeah. I do suggest, if you're coming with your partner, have a kayak each, so when they fall out they can get out and rather than hit panic stations. So anyway, nice and calm, and you can get out and go swimming. It's shallow, even probably at the deepest part you can get out and stand up, so yeah, lovely. We've come to our stop, we got to the stop, and they come and get us, and off we go. They take us back to our hotel.
Not a hotel, we're staying at a hotel.
Oh, our campsite. Sorry, yeah.
Going to a hotel. I'm going to the campsite.
Yeah, good. So am I. I'm going to a hotel. It's lovely. It's been well worth it. We took some sandwiches. We stopped on the beach underneath the ark, and had a glass of wine. Didn't we, wifey?
Yeah, we'll finish it off if you want.
Yeah. Why not? Why not? Finish off that bottle of wine. See you later, folks. Bye bye.